Right, good morning everyone. I'm now going to have a look and see how we got on. I have to say they look okay. This one is quite solid, so I'm going to take this one off. Now, it's still a little bit soft, but I think we can safely take it out the mould. Pull that out, maybe. Yep. Right, that's out the mould. Oh, look. See, I didn't quite get all the pigment scrunched together. But that's fine. And that'd be a nice little thing to hang up in a kitchen, wouldn't it? Or a bathroom, maybe. It just, yeah, I could do with just... Now, because it's got a ridge, I can put another layer on top. Or I could just chisel that off, you know. Scrape that off. But yeah, I'm happy with that. That's quite nice. What I might do is just put another layer on top. And I think because of the mica powder, that's why it's not quite set. But I do like that. That's really pretty, isn't it? That's quite nice. A little bit of that. Yeah, I'm going to put a layer on top because there is some bits showing. Because they didn't sink in enough. And these have moved out of place. But not bothered with that at all. I do like that. That's really pretty. So, that's that one. I'm going to put it back in the mould, I think. If I can. To let it finish curing. Why won't that go back in? I don't know. Tended to have moved out of place, I think. That's it. Right, it's going to have to lay flat, you see. Perfectly flat. So, move that out of the way. Let's have a look at these. They come out pretty easy. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, that's gorgeous. Wish I'd put a little bit of bling in the middle now. Could have glued a bit of bling in there first. But, yeah. I'm quite happy with that. That's gorgeous little pendant. I'm going to put them on the shop. Let's go for this one. Oh, look. Oh, they're gorgeous. Oh, I'm thrilled with that. Yes, I was right to put a few bits in the background. Can you see how pretty they are? And I'm going to put them on a little felt on the back so that the flowers stand out more. Love it. Oh, they're really pretty. Very happy with those. And this one is the plain one, the what was left. Now, it's still quite soft, this one. And I think it's those with the mica powder in are a little bit soft. But what I'm going to do with this one is I want to drill in the middle and just put a diamante in it. So I shall wait for that to cure properly. Happy with that. Happy. Now let's have a look at these. Oh my God, look at that. That is beautiful. On the colours, it's purple and blue together. What colours? I know the light's quite... Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I like that. Oh, this one's clumped together. Oh, it's still nice. That one's kind of like clumped together, but that's fine. Oh, they are pretty. See, when it's wet, you've got to make sure you've separated them. Love that as well. Look, beautiful flowers. One air bubble in that. Oh, on that one. But they're only tiny. But they give them a little bit of a glisten. But they are pretty. I love them. I'm absolutely thrilled with those, to be honest. Aren't they gorgeous? This one's beautiful colours. Yes. I think what I might do is just to edge these in gold. And then the edges are really neat. Yeah, just to edge them in gold, I think. Not sure. So I'm happy with those. Let's have a look at this one. Now this one, just feel it is still soft, so it has to come out of there. No, it hasn't worked. Well, I mean, that had all the mica in it, didn't it? They've had to turn that the other way around because this has come out more of the front. I mean, I wouldn't waste it because what I can do is put on something. I can put a heart on there. A little cameo of some sort. I've got some. Glue it on. And when that's cured properly, that'll be a nice... You got that as a reverse. And then have something on the front. So I'm not displeased. Just, you learn by your mistakes, obviously. And this is the bookmark, which you can feel some of the flowers because they've risen. So what I would do, I think, is to top that up with some epoxy resin. See if we can get this off. Yeah, because it's still quite soft. Oh, but that is gorgeous. Beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? I'm not sure how much of it you can see. Gorgeous, isn't it? Yeah, you do have to watch where you place things. I love it. I mean, I like the way the greenery continues. And these, I love these. Yeah, I'm thrilled with that. Let me just see if I can get a piece of card. You might see it a little bit clearer. There you go. Isn't that gorgeous? Bookmark. Yeah, nice. Like that. Let me just share these with you because this is the one I'm after in a minute. So we'll just put these on here so you can see the background. They are beautiful. Love them, and I will be making more for sure. Look at those. And they're not hard, let's be honest. They're not, are they? I love the shape of this. What a nice size pendant. So they will be made into pendants and they will be on the shop. My very first pendants. Well, they're not my first. I made them years ago, but... See... I'm not too sure whether I like the flexibility of that or not. Or will it stiffen up? Maybe. I don't know. We'll leave it for a few days and see. I'm going to take this one out because I think it needs to come out the mould. I do like that. I think that turned out really pretty. But the main one is this one. Now, I added those on at the last minute, didn't I? You can sort of see the feather. Let's have a look. See? Oh, Yes, look at that. Oh, I'm not sure if you can see that. Look at that. I'm not happy that I put the gold in, to be honest. And it's got a ridge so your cup doesn't fall off. No, because I think the gold spoiled it. Now, where's the feather? You can actually see the feather. But it's very, very faint. Yeah. Now, I didn't put the flowers down enough. The greenery should be in the background and they should be in the foreground. And the gold's spoilt this one. You can't see these few flowers here. But nevertheless, that's gorgeous. Just beautiful. And this butterfly was handmade by somebody many years ago. It's the last one I had. Yeah, do love them. Absolutely love them. Hope you can see that. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, these should have been in the foot. Not bothered about it though. That's fine. We'll know next time to put these leaves on last. Lovely. I'm absolutely thrilled with them all, so I'm going to put that there. Next to that one. Love this one. Bit of a failure. Oops. Love the purple one because I'm a purple and pink girl anyway. And love that one as well. And that one, like I say, drill a hole and stick a diamond in. And that's a pendant on its own. Or a letter. Somebody's name. Love them. So that's the reveal, and hope you like them. We will be doing more, and I'm going to do that scene today. I'm going to do the beach scene today. Jane, I'm just looking at the weather. It should be warm enough by 1 o'clock to go out and do the... I've got some moulding to do on the shack. I've got to add another floor on the shack, which was going to be the deep sea section. And it's got to all be glued and pinned together, and then I can start building the beach up. And I've got some, like I say, some shells, some rocks, various bits and pieces. I'm just going to get a few rocks out. I'm going to be using some of these. They're like made from clay and that. I just take a couple of those out. We don't need many on the beach. And then once the moulding's done and the beach is done, then I can start doing the water and then start adding things in and making it into a scene. So it shouldn't be too long now, Jane. I'm quite looking forward to doing it. It's a project I've thoroughly enjoyed. And then we'll be coming back and doing some more of this sort of stuff and the polymer clay as well. I'm just looking at this. You can very, very faintly see the feather in the background. Just faintly. I do like that idea. Yeah. I mean, obviously the way it's laid, that's fine for me. You know, I like that as it is. I love this one. Just to hang in a bathroom so it's something pretty. I won't even use it as a bookmark. I'd hang that somewhere. Yeah. I love the pendants. Thrilled with the pendants. I'm not too sure whether I want to take this out of here. I think I do. I mean, you can't always... There we go. I can get it out. I don't want to mind a little bit of waste. It's not often fee wastes anything. I'm just going to get this out of here, I think. See, like that. So you can see that it can be peeled back, and I'll spend some time cleaning that up and reuse it. So unfortunately I've wasted a little bit, but that's okay. I mean, it is expensive stuff, is the epoxy resin, so you don't want to be doing too big a projects with it unless that's what you're intended to do. Don't forget to shop in our shop. For those of you who don't know, we do sell laces, braids, you know, feathers, miniatures, loads of laces, fabrics, beaded string, pearl string. We do all of that. Even the cabochons, they're like those, you know, oval cabochons. Glass ones, we've got round ones, we've got all sorts in the shop. Please drop by, because without your support I can't keep this up. We just have to, it goes hand in hand. It's as simple as that. What bit I can use from the shop goes to buy things like this epoxy resin and that, so that I can come back and teach you something else, or at least show you something else. So it does go hand in hand. You know, this month we managed to get some resin and we managed to get some Fimo clay, so that we can start doing some other videos for you. And we have over 5,000 videos on YouTube on our channel, so there's tons for you to go and look at. I think we're up to about 500 flowers from paper to fabric to lace, of every variation you can think of. We have steampunk videos, jewellery making, dismantling, you name it, we have it. You'll never be bored. Thanks for watching, take care. Drop by the shop please, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.